Houston's climate, with its hot summers, occasional cold snaps, and high humidity, makes proper window installation a crucial factor in maintaining energy efficiency and home comfort. Many homeowners, eager to replace or install new windows, make common mistakes that can lead to costly repairs and inefficiencies. To ensure your window installation is successful, here are some key pitfalls to avoid. Choosing the wrong window type. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is selecting the wrong type of windows for their Houston home. Not all windows are designed to handle the region's climate, and some may lack the necessary insulation to combat the heat and humidity. Energy-efficient windows with low emissivity, low E glass and double-pane insulation can significantly reduce energy costs and improve indoor comfort. Ignoring energy efficiency ratings. Many homeowners overlook energy efficiency ratings when choosing windows. The U factor and solar heat gain coefficient, SHGC, ratings are critical in determining how well a window will perform. Windows with a low U factor and SHGC rating are ideal for Houston's warm climate, helping to keep homes cooler and reduce energy bills. Poor measurement and sizing. Improperly measured windows can lead to major problems, including air leaks, water infiltration, and difficulty opening or closing. Even a small miscalculation can result in a poor fit, reducing the efficiency of your windows. It's essential to measure multiple times and verify dimensions before purchasing windows. Incorrect installation techniques. Even high-quality windows will underperform if installed incorrectly. Common installation errors include not sealing gaps properly, failing to align the window correctly, and not securing it tightly. These mistakes can lead to drafts, water leaks, and premature damage. Professional installation or following manufacturer guidelines meticulously can help prevent these issues. Skipping proper insulation and sealing. Houston's humid climate makes proper sealing and insulation vital to prevent moisture infiltration. If windows are not sealed correctly, condensation can build up, leading to mold and wood rot. Using high-quality caulking and insulation materials helps ensure a weather-tight fit and improves the longevity of your windows. Using low-quality materials. Trying to cut costs by purchasing low-quality materials is a mistake that can backfire in the long run. Cheap frames, poor quality glass, and substandard seals may fail sooner, leading to frequent repairs or replacements. Investing in high-quality windows from reputable brands ensures durability and long-term savings. Not considering Houston's weather pattern. Houston experiences heavy rain, hurricanes, and intense sun exposure. Homeowners often overlook the need for impact-resistant windows or proper drainage solutions to manage heavy rain. Selecting windows with reinforced glass and adequate drainage systems can help protect your home from extreme weather conditions. Forgetting to check for permits and local codes. Many homeowners fail to check local building codes and permit requirements before installing new windows. Houston has specific regulations to ensure homes meet safety and energy efficiency standards. Ignoring these rules can lead to fines, failed inspections, and the need to redo the work. Attempting DIY installation without experience. While DIY projects can save money, window installation is a complex task requiring precise skills. Many homeowners attempt installations themselves without proper knowledge, leading to costly mistakes. Hiring a professional ensures windows are installed correctly, saving time and preventing future issues. Neglecting regular maintenance after installation. Once windows are installed, ongoing maintenance is crucial for longevity and efficiency. Homeowners often forget to clean window tracks, check seals, and inspect for minor damages. Routine maintenance helps prevent costly repairs and extends the lifespan of your windows. Conclusion: avoiding these common mistakes when installing windows in Houston homes can save you time, money, and frustration. By choosing the right windows, ensuring proper installation, and following local regulations, you can enhance your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and durability. If you're unsure about installation, consider hiring a professional to ensure the job is done right the first time. Investing in high-quality windows and proper installation will pay off in the long run, keeping your home comfortable and well protected from Houston's challenging climate.